Hello everyone, welcome back to Review Clicks. Introducing the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. The powerful antioxidants formula to support a healthy inflammation response and balance energy levels, helps you feel great. Boost your metabolism. Experience boundless energy. Enjoy healthy digestion. Metabolism. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic supports your metabolism, helps increase fat oxidation and supports healthy digestion as you go happily about your day. Why do you want Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic? Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is formulated with 100% natural ingredients that could help individuals eliminate excessive weight. Flat Belly Tonic comes in the form of a powder, hence it can be consumed easily with water or any protein shake. This weight loss supplement starts working from the root cause, and it directly attacks the excessive fat buildups that result in quick weight loss. The main reason behind the success of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is its ingredients. Here is a list of main ingredients that makes Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic an effective solution for weight loss. Ingredients of Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic claims the tonic is 100% organic, natural, and GMO-free, including a variety of herbs, plants, and berries, which makes the tonic vegetarian. We have classified ingredients based on their main metabolic properties and antioxidant ingredients. The first section contains central metabolic ingredients to help boost the base metabolic rate to burn fat. These ingredients are piperin. It is found mainly in black and long pepper and is known for its ability to burn fat in the body and eliminate fat storage. This is a plant extract found in green and white tea. Epigallocatechinolate is famous for reducing inflammation in the body, and it also prevents brain and heart diseases. Hibiscus sabdariffa. This ingredient is beneficial for controlling blood sugar levels, helps in weight management, maintains liver health, and improves fat loss. Inulin. It is a type of fiber found in many vegetables such as wheat, onions, leeks, and asparagus. Inulin is very useful in weight loss and improves the digestive system of the body. The other ingredients are antioxidants that are a rich source of vitamins and minerals, therefore promoting a healthy body. Mulberry. It helps in controlling blood sugar levels and cholesterol in the body. Mulberry contains a fair amount of rutin compound, which helps improve the body's fat-burning capabilities. Aronia berry. It is famous for its rich source of antioxidants. Its properties help strengthen your immune system, boost energy, and add to your general dietary fiber requirement. Mammurtica crontia. This ingredient is found in the tropical region and is extracted from the tropical vines. It is known for reducing the amount of belly fat and also controls blood sugar levels. Acai Berry. This ingredient is commonly used in various smoothie bowls. This berry helps maintain cholesterol levels and reduces the amount of fat absorbed after food consumption. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Drinks. Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Drinks is a recipe digital guide that offers smoothies to lessen C-reactive protein associated with weight gain. Similar to the Flat Belly Tonic supplement, these smoothies are able to assist with weight loss by targeting the CRP levels. Quick Start Nutrition Plan. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic Quick Start Nutrition Plan is a digital guide explaining the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic program's central tenets. Beneath the Foods That Change Everything section of the digital manual, readers will recognize the importance of eating eggs, beef, chicken, fish, olive oil, quinoa, sweet potatoes, coconut oil, and black beans foods. Overall. Energy Boosting Smoothies. The Energy Boosting Smoothies digital guide explains more smoothie recipes to enhance your energy while heating the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic program. The smoothies are similar to the CRP targeting smoothies and Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic drinks. Great smoothies include a green protein smoothie and the pumpkin oat seed smoothie with oats, almond milk, yogurt, chia seeds, hemp seeds, pumpkin seeds, and more. Comes with your Flat Belly Tonic purchase. The Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic is not just a weight loss supplement powder with a fat-burning recipe and proven ingredients. It also comes with all kinds of actionable, applicable guides that one can seamlessly integrate into their current lifestyle and start replacing the good with the bad naturally. Find the best savings on the Okinawa Flat Belly Tonic directly on the official website. To assist you, I have included link to the official website in the video description.